So for my riderless crash yesterday, we have a broken headlight, broken front fender, and a broken kickstand. Front fender has been ordered. I actually have an extra light. Now what happened was my light just burned out. I don't know why. And the guy I bought it from, this guy named Felix over at Radex Germany, big ups to him. I didn't think he was gonna come through because his response was kind of slow. Just turns out the guy's got a business and he's busy. And he came through for me. He sent me the light, which is this one, which worked before I fried out my electrics. And then because I didn't think he was gonna come through to me because of his slow response, this one finally came in from China. So I actually just had the extra light. So Felix wants the old light back. I'm gonna send him this one and the other light. I'm pretty sure this still works, but I'm just gonna send him I'm gonna send him a light. Maybe they have a use for it, but I doubt it. But I don't know, maybe he doesn't want it. He doesn't want my trash. Maybe I should keep it. Anyway, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this off, replace this, and that's how we're gonna ride until our parts show up. And like I said, I ordered from Felix a new kickstand and the fender. That's what I got from him. So props to you, Felix. Okay, here we go. So this is how we're gonna ride. Took the front fender off, got the new headlight on. That doesn't work. This I bolted back on after it flew off. This thing I gotta fix. It's like looking all funky towards the sky, but that's how it's gonna look until my parts arrive. My poor baby. But anyway, I was gonna get like a customized kickstand, but it was like 174 dollars. I was like, you know, then I gotta wait for it to come from the US and all that stuff. I'll get that with time. They got like these extended kickstands, so when you get like the big wheels and the riser kit, you know, your bike leans a whole lot more because it's higher. When I do all that stuff, I'll get the, you know, the more expensive extended kickstand. But for now, I was like, I just went and got the standard one from them. So you just gotta pull out the little bolt there and then replace this part. You know, I'm not gonna replace the whole thing. I'm not gonna replace all this. This is okay. But this right here, as you can see, it's just funked up. Still looks good though. Still pretty as a girl. Let's go for a ride.